All right, Major General Anuj Mathur, thank you very much for being with us and in fact detailing it further for the benefit of our viewers. Now, as Balochistan remains tense with Balochis taking to streets against the Pakistani establishment and demanding independence, we are learning that Dr. Marang Baloch has commenced a hunger strike. She is currently detained inside a Pakistani jail. She is protesting against the human rights violation in Balochistan. Pia Maan is joining me live on the broadcast. Now, Pia, in the latest, what we are picking up from Balochistan, Balochis have been on this long pressing demand for asking for and seeking independence, and Dr. Marang Baloch has now resumed her hunger strike. What are the repeated but yet again very crucial demands? Share more details.
Is mounting for Pakistan very, very clearly. And you know, the recent statements that we've heard from their army chief, Asim Munir, he's been reiterating their two-nation theory, which already failed back in 1971. We are seeing another, demonstration by the Balochis demanding freedom, of course, that is taking place over there. There are arbitrary detentions. People are shot dead by the Pakistani army in Balochistan. So there's clearly discontent amongst the people in Balochistan. They're demanding their freedom. And Mehrang Baloch is, of course, a very prominent activist, but she's been arrested. She was, in fact, arrested last month by the Pakistani establishment. There was a huge, of course, uproar in the community against her arrest over this. But now, of course, she's sitting on a hunger strike in a prison in Pakistan, making it very clear that the demands of the Balochistan people over there continues to remain alive. And you know what's also interesting, Simran, is that, you know, in the statement that Pakistan had recently put out, they had referred to not just the two-nation theory, but also the 1940 Muslim League resolution on Pakistan. So there clearly seems to be, a lot of discontent brewing within Pakistan, something that the establishment there is not able to handle. We've just recently, in fact, discussed what's happening as far as Sindh is concerned. The Pakistani government has had to backtrack on one of their canal projects. And now, of course, Balochistan, it's very clear, no matter how much Pakistan tries to suppress the people and their aspirations for freedom, it's very clear with this action that Mehrang Baloch has taken that their aspirations continue to remain alive.
All right, Pia, thank you very much for sharing further updates. Now, on that, let's shift our focus to other developments. The houses of two local